girl. Flowers in my garden. Pretty, pretty, pretty little, pretty, pretty little. Yes, girl. You, no other one but you. Baby girl said it feels so right, so good, so good. Me mean when me say it from my heart. Baby girl, me and you would never part. Tell me say you have me in a comfort zone. Every time you leave me, then you come back home. Baby, and no games me a play. I and I woulda never ever stray. Girl, me say you lock me in your comfort zone. Get me solid as a rock, you know me tough like stone. I believe that love is a powerful thing, feeling deep within. And if you believe in love, free up your mind, let this flow within. As early as the morning star, I'm giving thanks for this lovely thing. Girl, with every beat of me heart, beat of me heart, me pray that you would never part. Cause no other girl no hold me so tight yet, baby. None of them never please me, sir. Treat me, sir. Lord, you feel so right. No girl never squeeze me so tight yet, baby. None of them never groove me, sir. Move me, sir. Girl, you shine so bright. Anytime, any weather, me girl get the key for me heart so forever. She will be the one with whom me share up the treasure. Enough love, it never make sense to major. No. And baby girl, you have to ask me anything me give to her, no matter where it costs me. Because me love her so much, so me treat her with such tenderness. She and me baby. Cause I believe that love is a powerful thing, feeling deep within. And if you believe in love, free up your mind, let this flow within. As early as the morning star, I'm giving thanks for this lovely thing. And if I ever dream me a dream, me now I wake up because you're still holding on. And no other girl no hold me so tight yet, baby. None of them never please me, sir. Treat me, sir. Lord, you feel so right. No girl never squeeze me so tight yet, baby. None of them never groove me, sir. Move me, sir. Girl, you shine so bright, yeah. She's the flower in my garden. Pretty little, pretty little. The flower in my garden, girl. You and only you, baby. You and only you, baby. And I believe that love is a powerful thing, feeling deep within. And if you believe in love, free up your mind, let this flow within. As early as the morning star, I'm giving thanks for this lovely thing. Girl, with every beat of me heart, beat of me heart, me pray that you would never part. And no other girl no hold me so tight yet, baby. None of them never please me, sir.